Let's prepare for Yoga Nidra. Please lie on your back, on your bed, or on your mat. Support your head with a pillow and place a blanket over top of you. Yoga Nidra is a practice of deep rest, physical and mental rest. So let's prepare by stilling the body. During the practice of Yoga Nidra, we want to keep the body still as possible. If you need to move at any point, you can, but always come back to stillness. So let's begin by stilling the body and surrendering the body's weight to the ground. Feel your body's weight against the floor and feel all the contact points between the body and the floor, such as the heels, the calves, backs of the legs, buttock, the back body, and the back of the head, backs of the arms and shoulders. And begin to surrender the body's weight into these contact points, surrendering and releasing the body's weight into these contact points. Don't need to hold the body up as the body is being supported by the floor. Surrendering the body's weight to the ground and letting the floor support the body's weight. You're preparing for deep rest, relaxation, and rejuvenation. During the practice of Yoga Nidra, the body becomes very still. The mind becomes calm and quiet, and consciousness comes to the foreground as awareness. It is a practice of relaxation, feeling, and being aware. So now, let's bring our awareness to the sounds. Become aware of a far distant sound and just listen to a far distant sound for a moment. Follow it, track it, without adding any interpretation or story from where the sound is coming. Just simply listen. And then begin to open up awareness to taking in sounds which are closer, but outside of the room. And move the awareness from one sound to the next. Become aware of sounds within the room. Maybe there is a quiet background sound within the room that you're in. Some sounds are subtle while others are a bit louder and they're coming and going. You're just simply listening to sounds without any interpretation. Coming in a little bit closer, listening to the sounds of the body. Perhaps there's sounds of digestion. Sound of the breath. Now is the time for the Sankalpa, the intention. You can use the intention of I am whole and complete. I am whole and complete. Repeat this intention to yourself 3 times with a feeling of faith belief, and knowing that this intention is true. I am whole and complete. Please keep the body still. We will go through a body rotation. As body parts are mentioned, now please bring your awareness to the body part. Feel the body part and relax the body part. Become aware of the right hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, underarm, the side waist, hip, the right thigh, knee, lower leg, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, the right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. Stay awake and become aware of the left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, underarm, side waist, hip, upper thigh, knee, lower leg, ankle, sole, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. Stay awake and be aware of the top of the head, forehead, right temple, left temple, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, eyebrow center, right eye, left eye, right ear, left ear, nose, tip of the nose, nostrils, right cheek, left cheek, upper lip, lower lip, teeth, tongue, jaw, chin, front of the neck, right collarbone, left collarbone, the hollow between, right side of the chest, left side of the chest, heart center, upper abdomen, navel, lower abdomen, pelvic region, right buttock, left buttock, low back, mid back, upper back, back of the head, back of the neck, and top of the head. Now be aware of just the right leg, just the left leg, right arm, left arm, torso, neck, and head. Be aware of both legs together, both arms together, torso, neck, and head. Be aware now of the whole body, and the whole body. Become aware of the up and down movement now of the breath. The breath is moving up and down from navel to throat, up and down from throat to navel, navel to throat, throat to navel. Feeling and sensing this up and down movement of the breath. As the breath is being felt in this wave from navel to throat, throat to the navel, count the breaths backward. Begin from 21, counting down to 1. Next breath in, mentally say 21. Breath out, 21. Breath in, 20. Breath out, 20. And so on, counting down. Count is lost, please begin again counting down from 21. Just let the count be easy. No need to focus. Simply a relaxed counting down. Keep feeling the breath moving up and down like a wave. Breath sweeping up and breath sweeping down like a wave. Stay with the count, stay with the breath. Let go of the count now and bring to mind the Sankalpa or the intention again. Please repeat to yourself with full faith and belief the following words. I am whole and complete. I am whole and complete. Repeat this to yourself 3 times with full faith and belief in what you're repeating. Begin to now listen for the sound of the breath, the sound of the body. Become aware of the sounds around you in the room and start to move your awareness from one sound to the next, becoming alert of your surroundings through the sense of sound. Expanding your sense of hearing farther out, take in sounds outside of the room. externalizing the awareness farther out. And let your sense of hearing move from one sound to the next to the next. And be aware of distant sounds, far out sounds. Farthest out sounds, externalizing the awareness even farther out. And then bring your awareness back into this room. Begin to feel your body's weight against the floor, like how you began, feeling the heels, calves, legs, buttock, back body, back of the head, all against the floor. As you feel these places against the floor, begin to breathe into these places, waking them up with your breath. Breathing in deeply, deepening the breath in, and deepening the breath out. As you deepen your breath in and out, you can invite in gentle movements, gently wiggling your fingers and gently wiggling your toes. Once you have wiggled your fingers and your toes, you can also extend your arms overhead and give yourself a nice stretch, and stretch your feet in the other direction. Once you have stretched, take your hands together, and you can rub your hands vigorously together. And then place the cupped hands over your face, just taking in the scent from your hands. So awakening the sense of smell. You can take a moment to nourish your face with the warmth of your hands. A gentle massage of the face. That comes to the completion of our Yoga Nidra practice. So thank you for practicing, and I hope you have the rest of your day well and good. Namaste.